Psych. Today we're going to swatch some new Madam Glam colors.
Give it to me like...
Okay, so here are the new colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 new colors. I'm gonna swatch from Madam Glam. I'll go through everything that I got, so including colors and any tools. Okay, so I guess first thing, let's move this out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that. Okay, so one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so swatches ready. I'll put these aside, okay, for now. So first I got the Purity bundle. Okay, so the Purity bundle came with 4 different colors. Here are colors. I'm gonna move that a little more out of the way. Okay. So what do we got here? So first color, we got Flirty. I'll swatch all these after. We've got Friendly, right? We've got Pearly. And then I got Simplicity. That's that. So these are just, the way they looked in the image was they had a bit of like a shimmer effect to them. Okay. So we'll do those. All right. So so those are the first ones. Then I got a glitter called the Inventor. Okay. I got another like a shimmery one called Fearless. Ooh, that looks so nice. That's Yes, I Can. You see that nice little shimmer. And then I got this awesome one, which is called Scorpio. That's that. Okay. And then I got 2 amazing. This one is called Birthday Boy, right? And I got Vivid Purple, which look amazing together. Okay. So those are the colors. Here are all the colors. So we're going to swatch all of these, see what they look like. We'll start with the Purity bundle, and then I'll do the other ones. And I also got an applicator brush. So let's take a look at that. So the Madam Glam application brush, gel brush, comes at the top. And then you've got, right? So I could use this for gel application. I could use it for, so gel color application. I could also use it for building extensions, I think. And it's obviously hard now because I haven't even opened it. Okay. So that's that. Comes with a top, which is great. Like, I love when they come with tops. Okay. So that's that. Okay, cool. All right. Let's swatch these. Okay, so we're going to start with the Purity bundle. So the first color in the Purity bundle is Flirty. Okay, so let's take a look. So these... Okay. So let's try this one and let's see. I apologize for any dog fur in on my, so I cleansed my tip, obviously, or my swatch stick. Okay, so, and I mean, Madame Glam colors are always beautiful. They go on really nicely. And you just kind of float them. Okay, do we see this? So that's one coat. It's probably going to need 2 coats, I would say. So let's stick it in the lamp. Okay. And then we'll go into a second coat. So that's Flirty. And let's check out Friendly. Like I said, this is the Purity bundle. Okay, so we've got... So they're very close. They're similar in colors, and I just wanted something that was... that brush is... Look at that little mess on the brush here. What is this? Okay, that's going to cause some problems after, but that's okay. Okay, so I just wanted some nice neutral colors. And the Purity bundle looked like it had all beautiful neutral colors. Okay. There we go. So this is one coat, okay? Okay. Let's put that one in the lamp. I'm going to do 2 coats for all of these. And again, sorry about these fluffs, okay? I'll do 2 coats, but let's just see what one coat looks like first. Okay, so that was that one. Okay. Then we've got Pearly, so it's a bit lighter. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Ooh, it's got like a bit of a pink tone, like a nude sort of undertone. So let's take a look at Pearly, and this is just one coat. Okay, so one coat. And it is what it claims, Pearly. Okay. Like, obviously, application is amazing. Okay. That's one coat. I mean, that one you only needed, like, look at that. Okay. One coat of Pearly in the lamp. We'll do 2 coats to finish, okay? And then Simplicity, which is, again, this is more of a nude, like a nude tone. They're all nudes. They're all nudie tones. So this is Simplicity. Let's take a look at this one. One coat of this one. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So it's almost, that one's got more of a peachy undertone. Okay, and let's take a look at this one. Yeah. These colors would look nice, you know, on a darker skin tone. Because they would really pop. I mean, they look beautiful on any skin tone, but okay. And that's one coat of Simplicity. Okay. And let's put that in the lamp. And then let's look at, okay, so I'm going to take Flirty out. So that's Flirty. That's one coat of Flirty. So let's do a second coat and see what difference it makes. Okay. So second coat. And that just takes away any of the those open spaces. Right? There we go. So that's Flirty. What's 2 coats of Flirty? Beautiful. Cure that baby. Okay. Let's try. So that's one coat of Friendly. And we're going to do a second coat of Friendly. Okay. Look, that one doesn't even need another one, but let's just make sure we've covered all areas. Look at that. Okay, 2 coats. Okay, so that one. I'm gonna do, let's do our second coat. So second coat of Pearly. This is the one that didn't even, look at that, doesn't even really need, but I do see some streaks. So second coat of Pearly. That's the one with the pink. It's got a bit of a pinky undertone. And that's, look at that. Beautiful. So that's 2 coats of Pearly. And then let's do our second coat of Simplicity. This is the one with the peachy undertone. Okay. Again, some of these don't even, it depends what you want, what you're looking for as a color. Some of them might not even need a second coat. They're very pretty opaque. Just a matter of application, it looks like. And that's our second coat. Okay. Of simplicity. Okay. Okay. So I will talk about those after and show you the final at the end, but let's take a look at the next 4 colors. So these ones are the ones, so I was incorrect. The Purity bundle have no shimmer to them at all. They're just very nude, neutral colors, okay? These are the ones that have all the shimmers to them. So we're going to start with, let's move them here. So we're going to start with the Inventor. Okay, so it's like a sort of a coffee color. It looks a bit like coffee and cream. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Ooh, look at that. Look at the, it's like coffee with sugar. Okay, so let's see this one. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is beautiful. I just screwed that up. Sorry. Okay, so 1 coat. The other ones I didn't have a ton of product on, so I think if I had... So there's a... I mean, it's a little bit streaky in some areas. You see that? Oh, so pretty. Okay. Okay, so that's the Inventor. Beautiful. It's like a coffee and cream tone with sugar flecks. Okay, so that's that one. And we've got Fearless, which is it's a darker brown with copper, and I think it's gonna have sparkles in it too. It's got a shimmer, right? Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Amazing. Okay. So I'm putting more product on the brush to see if I can just do 1 coat, because I believe I can, but we'll see. We'll see. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Do you see that? Hold on. Do we see this? Oh. Okay, so that's going to need 2 coats for sure. So I'm just going to do 1 coat. That's 1 of Fearless, which is freaking amazing. Let's cure that. I will do 2 coats on them, on the ones that need it. So that's Fearless. We're going to look at Scorpio. Okay. This, what I was thinking with this is for background. So, you know, do a matte. If I do a black nail, and then I could do this as a starry background. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then matte it and work over it, or not matte it. And oh my gosh. So this would look great over a dark color. Look at that. Oh. Look at the, oh my gosh. So it's got like blues and purples and a little bit of sort of green flecks in there. Okay, so that's 1 coat. That's going to need 2 coats for sure. And this one, like I said, I would put this over, you see how it shimmers? I'd put this over a dark color. This would be great for, like, you know, galaxy nails or something like that if you're doing artwork. Okay, we're going to cure. So these are 1 coat. That's that one. And then Yes, I Can, which is, it's more like that coppery brown tone, but it's got like a purple, almost like a magenta undertone, and of course sparkles to it. So let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. Yes, we can. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. So again, these would need 2, and this would probably pop a lot more if it had a color underneath it. But this is just what it would look like on, let's say, obviously a clear, just regular nail. Okay, so that's one coat. It self-levels. Look at that. You can see like the shimmer. Hold on. Can we see the shimmer? Ooh, beautiful. So I'll do 2 coats of that, but that's the 1 coat of Yes, I Can. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's go back. So I'm going to grab the Inventor. This one does not need a 2nd coat. Beautiful. 1 coat, done, perfect, okay? I would not do a 2nd coat on that. Fearless, I'm going to do a 2nd coat, but that's what it looks like. So that's Fearless, okay? Beautiful, but let's see what it looks like. With a 2nd coat. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's a 2nd coat there. We will cure this baby. Again, I will top coat these so you can see them at the end just to see the final. Okay, but let's take a look at Scorpio. Now, Scorpio is a glitter matte top coat, so correction. This is if you want to so let's say I had a black underneath, I'd put this on top. It would give a nice glitter effect. Honestly, I don't even need to do anything there because that's a matte top coat. Okay, so this is perfect for nail art, right? Beautiful. So you can put it over any color. It will give a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it'll matte it, and then you could draw. You can do your art on top of that. Paint your art on top. Okay, so that's that one. I'm not going to do another one, obviously, because all it needs is 1 coat. And then the Yes, I Can, I'm going to do a 2nd coat of this one, okay? So let's take a look. And this one will probably be just as beautiful as the brown one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Not as strong, but beautiful. It's got like pinkies. It's like a purple pink. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And that's Yes, I Can. Okay. So pretty. Okay. I'm going to cure. We'll do the last 2 colors. Then we will top coat. Okay. Okay. Last 2 are these beauties. So first one, Birthday Boy and Vivid Purple. These would look at them. So they look amazing separate and beautiful together. Okay, so let's look at, I'm gonna do Birthday Boy first. Okay. Birthday Boy. Beautiful summer color. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see what this one looks like. So, first coat. Oh my gosh. So if you just float it over, it just covers the whole thing. Look at that. Okay. Oh, Birthday Boy. So beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Okay, one coat. That's one coat. I wouldn't even need to do a second. No second coat, just one. And then next, we're gonna do Vivid Purple. Oh. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. I used to have a pair of boots like this. That was this color. A pair of Doc Martens. Oh. This one as well, I think one coat. Let's see. They're just so thick. They're so thick. So once you get sort of a first little base on, you just float the rest. And I bet you that's all we need. So in the camera, it looks indigo. I'm not sure if it's coming across as purple in the camera as it is in real life. This is beautiful. Look at that. That's vivid purple. It really is a vivid purple. There's no blue tone to it. It might come across that way as I'm looking right now in the camera. It looks like it's got like a blue undertone. It doesn't at all. This is vivid, pure purple. Okay? One coat. These do not need two coats at all. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Okay. So those are the last two. Beautiful summer colors. Birthday Boy, Vivid Purple. Okay, so while those are curing, I am going to top coat the other ones. And then we'll come and take a look at them all again when they're fully top coated. Okay. I'm going to use Madame Glam top coat. we've got the Purity bundle. So the first one was so Flirty. That's Flirty, and that's with the top coat. Beautiful. That's Flirty, okay? So that's Flirty. Then we had Friendly. Okay, so let's look at Friendly. That's Friendly with our top coat. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, that's right there. So you can see they're slightly different than the tops, of course, but and then we had Pearly. Okay, there's Pearly. Beautiful. So you see, slightly different than the actual top. And then we had Simplicity. Okay, right here. That's Simplicity. Right? Slightly different. Okay, so those are the nudes. Beautiful nudes. Love them. Most of these needed 2 coats. Then we had these ones. Okay. This is actually a top coat, so I'm going to put it at the end. So these were the next set that I did. So first we had the Inventor. Let's take a look at the Inventor. So that is the Inventor with its, you see the shimmer? Oh my gosh, so pretty. This reminds me of like a ballet tight or something. I don't know if anyone understands that reference, but that's what that reminds me of. Okay, so that's that one. Again, slightly different, not as dark. It's a beautiful tone. And then we had Fearless. That's that beautiful brown chocolate shimmer. Oh my gosh. So it's a bit streaky, but that's from me. I could have done another coat on that. Look at that. Look at the shimmer. Okay. So another coat probably would have been even darker with less streaks, but that's Fearless. And then we had Yes, I Can, which was that sort of purple-ish. You see that? Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Look at that. So nice. Okay. Yes, I Can. Again, could have had another coat. Just depends what you want, what you're looking for as far as the color goes. Beautiful. And then this one was our Scorpio matte top coat. And that's what that looks like. Beautiful. Okay, Scorpio matte top coat. Those are those. Beautiful. Amazing. And then we had our last 2, which were just our summer, bright, fun colors. Okay, we had first Birthday Boy, which, oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Beautiful for summer. Oh. Birthday Boy. Love it. One coat only. That's all. And the Vivid Purple. Okay, Vivid Purple. And the Vivid Purple, which, oh, look at this. Look at this. Can we see this? Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Do you see this? Oh, amazing. Like, look how nice they look together. Oh, beautiful. One coat and done. These ones. Oh. Okay. So, I hope you guys liked the colors. Let me know what your favorite color is out of all of them. So I got 10 in total. 10 colors in total. Wait, did I? Yeah, 10 colors in total. Look at these. Oh, goodness. So nice. Okay. So nice. 10 colors in total. And my beautiful brush, which I got as well. And of course, to finish, I topped them off with the Madame Glam top coat. And there you have it. Right? Thanks for watching, guys. Next time, I've got some new Yokefellow colors, some sparkles, some cat eye, and just some basic colors that I got. So I will show you those as well. I just thought I would show them again because they're so freaking nice.